Hi guys, I am assigning our first Newsela content over the computer this week, and so I wanted to give you a quick tutorial to show you what I'm going to be asking you to do, which is to annotate on here. Again, as with other sites, this might look slightly different because I'm in the teacher view, so you might not have some of these things here. But the text of the article is the same and the annotation tool is the same. So once you get into the article and you start reading it, all you need to do to annotate is to highlight the sentence or words that you're focusing on, and it will pop up on the side. So if I wanted to highlight this first sentence, right? Today, anxiety about new technologies is as high as ever. So I would highlight it, and then over here, my name pops up, different colors of highlighters, and then a space to write your annotation. So what I'm asking you to do is to highlight text and then write in your own words something about that text. So I could say the author mentions that technology is creating anxiety for people today. Okay, if you click share, now that is there so that when I go in and look to grade your work, I can see that you have done what I've asked you to do, which is to highlight something and then to make your comment on it in your own words. If you wanted to change it, you can always go in and do that by unsharing it and then make sure you reshare or I won't be able to see it. If you want to delete it and put it somewhere else, you can do that and then create a new annotation somewhere else. You can get fancy and use different colors, however you want to do it. So the assignment will be different for the different articles, but both this week are asking you to annotate. One other thing I want to let you know is that up here, the articles that we're doing for this week are available in Spanish. So if you have this little toggle button and it says Spanish, all you do is click that and it translates the whole thing for you. The only thing I ask is that if you're reading it in Spanish, when you make your annotations, to still make them in English for me. Okay, so over here you'd be writing in English. If you want to do it on the Spanish version, that is fine with me. Okay. All right. So that should be all you need to know for this week. I just want you guys to get used to using those tools.